Hello everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today we are in the beautiful Ghajn Tuffieha area or Golden Bay, and today our plan is to hike all this way. Then we go around this, it's called the Qarraba, which is a beautiful like tongue of land, and then we go back up and all the way there. It's going to be a very beautiful trip. What do you think of this place? Beautiful, eh? No, from the parking we start the trek here. It's an easy walk, and soon I will show you these beautiful views. Unfortunately, we have to adopt the mask again here, so you will start seeing me going around in the mask. But at least if you come to these places here, it's worth it, yeah? Because there's few people and the view is amazing, yeah? So let's continue in this beautiful trek. Since the sun is out, I will show you how beautiful this area is. Well, going down this area is a little bit sketchy, so take care. I use the trekking pole, which makes life much easier. But we're managing as always. But still we have this ramp here, which is a little bit steeper to go down, so take care. I am trying to take a different route this time. I'm trying to stay under the cliffs. Here it's a little bit steep and rocky, but nothing big. It's easily done. And here there's not fixed track. There are many tracks one can choose to pass from, but the views, they're always the same. Beautiful. Look how beautiful the view is. It's amazing, yeah? We are under the cliffs, and we are still using this track, which is very easy right now to walk in. From here one can get the best view of this area. If we look at that side, there is Gnejna Bay. This is Qarraba Bay, the one under it. This small island, like small island, here is Qarraba. Here we have Malta Beach or Ghajn Tuffieha, and on the other side one can find Golden Bay. So now we're going to trek here, and we go around the small island. It's very beautiful view. Here we are exactly above Qarraba Beach. Is this beach down here? There are these slopes, and people go down these slopes, which are very steep, to go down to the beach. To tell you the truth, I never tried because it's too steep. But there are people swimming, with their dogs. And we are in December. This is the view one gets walking here on top of the cliffs, around on these clay cliffs. One has to take care because the way down is very long, and I don't think it's that nice if one falls. But other people pass from here all the way down. To tell you the truth, I never tried this. But my target is to go around this one today. Maybe one day I will have to try this one out. I try not to roll all the way. It's not worth it. But even on the other side, look how beautiful it is. Here we are walking between two bays. There is another popular spot there. People go to swim there. This is the view from the other side. I was up there. This is, I told you, Malta Beach. And now we have reached this area. And I'm going to try to go around the whole part. Look at these rocks here. And here, like I told you before, the beautiful view one can get from here on both sides. Then on this side, one can see this beautiful beach from here. So here, to go around there, somebody dug a whole cave here. Maybe some fishermen used to stay here. Imagine you live here and then you wake up, you get out and you have this view. Now I will be following this path which will take you around this small tongue of land, because it's not an island but it's nearly an island. The views, as I showed you many times, it's amazing. And even this walk, and if you come in winter here, it's very peaceful. Look, it's another small cave dug into the side of the mountain. Not mountain, actually it's a small cliff. Look at the rocks here, how nice they are. It's an amazing place. It's a little bit rough terrain. I don't know if it's suitable for everybody, you have to decide. But look at this area, how nice it is. It's amazing, We nearly made it to the tip of this tongue of land. Very beautiful terrain. It's a little bit, how you say, bouldering in this side. It's amazing, and we have to fit through that hole there. So let's go down. I don't think it's going to be a problem. We are used to caves now, so let's go down. I don't know, we are going down this spot. It's a little bit dodgy to go down, I think. This part is a little bit dodgy to pass, but nothing big. Well, this part is a little bit tight, as you can see from here. But I made it. It's not that hard, but compared to some of the caves we do. But it's a little bit tight, maybe for some people. And we are outside, Oh no. Oops. We can continue on this side. Wow, how nice it is. We came from there. But look how beautiful this place is, like a big cave. It's an amazing place. Wow, that's a nice cave. And here we'll be going outside again. One has to look around from where to pass around. Most probably who doesn't like to pass from that side, they can pass from here. Although I prefer that part because it's beautiful. Look at this area, how rugged and beautiful it is. We are very close to the sea. The path is not so clear, this part, so you have to check. But I think we'll find a way as usual. We did already half of this tongue of land with this beautiful, look at the scenery here at these rocks. It's amazing, yeah. And everywhere you look here, 360 degrees, it's beautiful, How nice it is. Exactly with the cliffs. I found this narrow path. Look how beautiful it is. And you pass between these rocks. It's amazing. Wow, that's nice. Very nice here, huh? Look at the view again from here. It's amazing, yeah? In front of me there is Gnejna Bay. There is, I forgot the tower. I will write down below. There is where we did camping last winter. Oh, here is everywhere. It's amazing, yeah? It's worth it coming here. The views, the rock formation. Very beautiful. Well, now I'm walking the most sketchy part of this area. You are on a slope, and if you fall down, which is very slippery here, you have all the way down many meters. So I'm trying to be as cautious as possible. But I think we can make it. I don't want to fall. Now some uphill. And we made it to the other side. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Let's continue our way down. Back to the beach. But first we'll visit a beach. A small beach here. Have to take care, it's a little bit slippery. And it's very steep here. But everywhere you look, it's amazing. This is where we came from. And we are still going down. Here is that small beach at the Qarraba, and here I have Ghajn Tuffieha or Riviera Beach. Beautiful, eh? Now let's try to make our way down. So we go all the way, show you the beach, and then go up that stairs, which is very nice to. It's very nice to see, not very nice to walk, eh? So let's go. Now we have made it to the beach, so we'll go down. And go down the beach and then up the stairs, and there's the parking where I parked my car. It's a beautiful place here. Oh, I've made it to the beach. How nice it is here. Here one can get one of the most beautiful sunsets from Malta. Hope you enjoyed this trek, and please subscribe and comment below. Now I'm in Tuffieha and we did the Qarraba trek. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time, bye bye.